Look at all the salt and road grime from Winter Storm Cora. At Knox Horizon Complete Auto Care, the detail department will have it looking as good as new. The first step is to prep the wheels and tires. Then to scrub them down. Now for some pressure washing. Applying high-quality wash solution to the car. Using microfiber so the clear coat doesn't get scratched. Time to rinse with clean water. Notice how the ceramic coating lets the water run right off. Time to air dry the car for a no-streak finish. Job well done thanks to Justin at Knox Horizon Complete Auto Care. Visit Knox Horizon today at 4701 Clinton Highway in Knoxville. Call them at 865-219-6999 or visit them on the web at knoxhorizon.com.